Welcome back to another rip with 605 Sports Cards. Another month has come and gone. So here are a couple of the April boom boxes. Grabbed another mid-end and a platinum. Still not comfortable spending all the money for the Elite. But we'll get one of these opened here. And take a look at what the mid box is bringing this month. Get rid of the mess here. All right. As always, you get another magnetic in every boom box. And at least 6 packs of cards. So out of the mid this month, we are getting a Phoenix Hobby, Contenders Hobby, Donruss Hobby, and a Phoenix H2. So the only time I've opened Phoenix so far was out of last month's hobby. So there is our Phoenix H2 pack. And they threw in a couple Bowman U's, the Donruss, and there's the Contenders and the Hobby. So I think we'll save those two for last. Put the H2 there, and we will begin with the Bowman U. And this will be a look at what we'll be having later on this month when the draft hits. Looking for those QBs and top draft picks that'll be coming. Dorian Thompson-Robinson. And a silver Will Rogers. There is a Taua Tagovailoa, Tua's brother, played for Maryland there, one of the quarterbacks. And Will Levis, so a quarterback pack there. And a couple of them will probably have a shot at early drafting. All right, second pack. Joey Porter, Brennan Armstrong, Ben Yorsick, and Brennan Armstrong again. So no autos or not much out of them. Don Ross, was very familiar with this, mostly out of the retail. Opened up that one hobby box and had a lot of luck. Not a very good hit rate, being one auto or a mem card in the pack or the hobby boxes. So see if we can get one of those case hits or get lucky enough to pull that one auto. Go through a lot of base here. The Jalen Phillips, Michael Thomas, Trey Hendrickson. First rookies of Kyron Williams. We have a nice Tom Brady in the Dominators. Good looking card there. Drake London, and on the back, a Gridiron Kings of Dan Marino. So nothing too exciting in there. Good looking card there for the Dominators of Tom Brady. All right, to the H2 pack. I do like Phoenix. I did purchase a H2 box I'll be opening up later on the channel. So it's kind of a little preview of what that box could hold. Phoenix is good looking cards. So there's Marcus Mariota, Christian Kirk, Carson Wentz, Josh Jacobs. That's Jalen Waddle. First rookie is Jermaine Johnson. There's a Jalen Tolbert. A Jeremy Ruckert tight end on kind of a red. And that one is numbered out of 150, 27 to 150. And a Christian Kirk, non-numbered, so it's kind of the base prism there, or parallel. And not a rookie. All right, and Contenders. I think there was 5 autographs in the Contenders hobby boxes, but there are a lot of packs as well. So see if we can get lucky. No base rookie cards here. Really hunting those autos. And maybe the short prints is about all you're going to be going for in contenders on the tickets here. Damian Harris, Michael Pittman Jr., and we do got a backwards card. Let's see if we can get our first auto. And there it is. There's a nice auto of Kyron Williams. So not a bad pack there. On the back, we have a Lions. Round numbers. Jahan Dotson and Jameson Williams. Not numbered or anything, but cool rookie card. So we'll go ahead and sleeve up this auto. So lucky to at least get that out of the contenders, with just one pack being in there. So nice hit there. And our final pack will be the Phoenix Hobby. And this one had 3 autos, I believe, in the hobby boxes. So we'll be chasing one of those. There are a lot of cool short prints, and I believe some 1-of-1 chances. So let's see if this one pack can bring us some luck. Well, Aaron Rodgers to start off. Ryan Tannehill, so 2 quarterbacks, veterans. First rookie is Treylon Burks. See if we can get him a better quarterback this year, and maybe he'll have a better chance at making some big plays. Not anything too exciting here. A rookie of Kennedy Brooks, running back. And that one is out of 150. I don't believe this one was numbered. Nope. So nice numbered rookie there. And another Aaron Rodgers to end the pack on the flamethrowers. Just kind of a cool insert. Nothing too exciting. So that does it for the mid-end box. If you're interested in that, you can check out the originalboombox.com. Prices are around 80 to 90 for that one, and this one will run you about 140 for the platinum. So we'll go ahead and get this opened up and take a look at what they put in there this month. And these change monthly if you're not familiar with them. Every month they do different packs. Usually it's throwing one of the newer products. Get rid of the packing peanuts. All right. Take a look at what is in here. So obviously starting off with the 2022 Prism Hobby Pack. It gives you the odds there, 1 in 6 of getting a hit. A Phoenix Hobby Pack again. We'll be getting 2 contenders. A Don Ross Hobby and another Bowman University Hobby. And of course, another magnetic case there, 35 point. Oh, that's a 20 point. The other one was an 80 point, so they mixed them up a little bit this month. All right, take a look at what's all here. There's the Bowman U. Start with that. The Don Ross. We'll have the 2 contenders. The Phoenix. And we'll end with the Prism, the big pack of the box. There is, like I said, an Elite box, and that one will come with the Hobby Prism and also a first off the line Prism pack if you're interested in going that route. Maybe you just want to do one and go for the expensive one and see if we can get that first off the line cards. And these ones got a big bow in them. Guess that's for a Bowman. Damani Jackson, Mitchell Tinsley, Chris Rising, and a Bryce Young, who will be probably one of the top quarterbacks taken in the draft. Another Don Russ. See if this one will hold that auto. And their first rated rookie is Jordan Davis. Base Michael Gallup, Harrison Smith, Derek Carr, Jeremy Chin, Carson Wentz, a Allen Robinson. We'll get the rookies of Dameon Pierce, a Gridiron Kings of Wes Welker, and a press proof of Odafe Owa. And that'll do it for the Don Russ pack. So none of the hits out of those. And 2 contenders packs. If we got one auto out of the one pack, let's see if we can find one out of these 2 here. And a T. Higgins, A.J. Dillon, Terry McLaurin. Kind of stinks that there's no rookie cards really in these contenders. Christian McCaffrey, and a John Elway game day ticket. Don't see much there, just a little throwback of a good quarterback. Our second pack. Really gonna need that auto to bring these contenders up. These are kind of, I mean, they're kind of cool, interesting cards. There's Zach Wilson, but you're really hit and miss. It's kind of auto or bust, unless you happen to find a short print. Alvin Kamara, and only going to get lucky this time, David Montgomery, and MVP of Jonathan Taylor. So 2 packs, no numbered cards, and no autos. Down to our final 2. I really like to hit one of these autos out of these Phoenix boxes. They're really good looking cards. So, A.J. Brown, Cooper Kupp, rookie, Kyron Williams, a Jared Goff flamethrower. That's where we're getting 2 flamethrowers. So another Zach Wilson. One is numbered out of 35 for the Jared Goff, so must be kind of that blue color or purple. So you kind of see a difference in the base and having the colors there. So that is a nice card. We'll throw a sleeve on that. I do enjoy numbered cards, especially the low numbers. So that's a very nice card there. All right, Prism. Opened up some retail, but no hobby. It's a little too spendy for my taste right now. So let's see what we can do here. If we can get some of those short prints, numbered cards, or even that auto. Harold Landry, Deontay Johnson, Derwin James. Let's see some color back there. Larry Tunzel, Devontae Adams, Ed Reed. There's an Emmitt Smith. I'll hang on to that one as I'm a football or Cowboys collector. And our first Kenny Pickett, the recruits. And looks like we're going to have maybe a blue. So we'll save that for last here. Pull these back too. There's a Matt Corral. Not looking good for him. For Carolina. Cade Otton, rookie. And it is Titans, rookie, Roger McCreary. And that one will be numbered to 225. So unfortunately, a high number, but it is a rookie at least. So that will do it for the boom boxes. Can I go through here and see our bigger cards out of it? Not probably the best boom box, but I'd say it has high potential, being the sets you get in it. You have a decent chance of pulling a big card with the hobby box or hobby packs they do put in there. Only came in with 1 auto. So we got Tom Brady, we got the Don Russ, Christian Kirk on the laser there, Jeremy Ruckert out of 150, should probably sleeve him up, and a Roger McCreary for the Prism, a Jared Goff of 35 on the flamethrowers, and our one lonely auto, Kyron Williams, rookie for the Rams. So that'll do it for this boom box this month. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I want to say thanks to everybody that has watched my videos and been commenting, and all the new subscribers. So I just want to say thanks to you guys, and there will definitely be more content coming. Be sure to like and subscribe for any of you new viewers, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.